What's up, burritos? Wagwan YouTube. Welcome to another countdown quickie. Now, this is where I talk about, the topics them in one sharp, bite-sized manner because it just could reach the social media countdown. So today it's a sad update and it's about the story. I'm pretty sure some of you might remember this, and it is about the 36-year-old Tamara Geddes who was shot in her bedroom in Trelawney some time ago, and it's just quite sad. We saw the information come out. We saw that the family was on board trying to find out who were the killers who actually set this up for Tamara to pass away. And the information sadly revealed that it was her own family members. Yes, her own family members. So let me read you the story according to the Jamaica Observer. So it says 39-year-old Nadeen Geddes yesterday pleaded guilty in the Hillary session of the Trelawney Circuit Court to the murder of her sister, 36-year-old Tamara Geddes, who was shot in her bedroom in the reserve community in the parish last year. The 36-year-old Geddes was reportedly gunned down in the presence of her 10-year-old daughter on Friday, June 19, 2020. I didn't even realize there's so much time did pass. Yesterday, Nadeen's two daughters, 21-year-old Shanice Ruddock and a 15-year-old, also pleaded guilty to the charge of misprision of a felony in the case when they appeared before Justice Martin Gale. No, this is just sad. So you can tell, say her, the deceased's own sister, Pitney, them were all a part of this just because they look at them, they want to fight out Nadeen. Them they want to fight out Tamara out of the house. My gosh, this is just like so sad. It upset me all over again just reading the story. Ooh. Both Geddes and her two daughters are expected to return to court on Friday, February 26 for sentencing. Meanwhile, before the start of the matter involving her sister's killing, Nadeen Geddes also pleaded guilty to conspiracy to murder 33-year-old Tanisha Miller of Carey Park, also in Trelawney. No, so the woman here, the sister here she just different. My God, Miller is now what does it say? Miller is now facing the capital charge for the fatal stabbing of Nadeen's brother. No, sir, this upset Mr. Mook. So Nadeen Geddes also pleaded guilty to conspiracy to murder 33-year-old Tanisha Miller of Carey Park. So it said Miller is now facing the capital charge for the fatal stabbing of Nadeen's brother, 38-year-old Gregory Geddes, a RAF captain of Reserve District. The RAF captain was killed during a dispute with Miller at a bar in Martha Brae in December 2019. No, man, this is just so sad. Oh my God, no, this is just, boy, this family. No, people please go read the article because the story here just unfolding and it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse and worse. This is just sad. And right now, I just, feel it for, Tamara Geddes' daughter. Because, she's probably like 10 or 11 years old now, and she'll have to just see the mess of a family that she was brought into and just how chaotic it's going to be. And I hope she just get the counseling and the guidance and just like some actually clean-hearted family members. Hopefully they are present that will be able to guide, this little girl now, because this is a whole leap for the unfold. She'll never look at her family the same again. It's just messy, man. Just total, mess. But that's it for this countdown quickie. Burritos, let me know what you think about this entire update, this part of the story. I wonder how many years she'll be sentenced for. Like, that's what I'm curious to find out. But them say, towards the end of the month, they will arrive at a number. But yeah, sound off what you think about this situation, Burritos.